Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up Wave accounting books before filing. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To back up your Wave accounting books before filing, start by logging into your Wave account. Navigate to the dashboard where your financial information is displayed. Look for the accounting option in the left sidebar menu and click on it. In the accounting menu, locate and select transactions to access your bookkeeping records. Once you are on the transactions page, verify all the entries are accurate and complete. Next, find the export option at the upper right corner of the screen. Click on export and choose the format you prefer for your backup, such as CSV or spreadsheet. Follow the prompts to select the date range you want to backup and confirm your selection. After selecting the format and date range, click on the export button to download your data. Save the downloaded file in a secure location on your computer or an external drive. For a more comprehensive backup, return to the main accounting menu. This time, select Reports to create additional backups of your financial statements. In the Reports section, choose the reports you want to backup, like profit and loss or balance sheet. Once you have selected your desired reports, click on the Export option again. Again, choose your preferred file format and follow the steps to download each report. Be sure to save these files alongside your transaction backup. Finally, confirm that you have successfully backed up all essential data before proceeding to file your taxes. Regular backups ensure your financial records are safe and easily accessible. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.